How to scale from freelancer to a business owner. Many freelancers work day and night. They earn money but they still feel stuck. Why? Because freelancing gives income but business ownership gives freedom. In this video, I will explain how a freelancer can scale into a business owner step by step. No matter if you are from Pakistan, India, United States of America, or any other country. As we know that freelancing means working independently without a long-term employer. A freelancer sells skills, not time for a company. You work with multiple clients, you choose your project, you control your schedule, and freelancing can be done in many fields such as web development, graphic designing, video editing, content writing, SEO, and digital marketing. Freelancers usually work on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, LinkedIn, and more. Freelancing is a great starting point, but it has limitations. Freelancing depends on you only. If you stop working, income stops. You exchange time for money and your growth is slow. Clients see you as a worker, not a brand. That's why many successful freelancers move to the next level. So if you move to the next level, you will stop thinking like a freelancer and start thinking like a business owner. Instead of saying, I do everything myself, you can say, I build a team and a brand. So your first step is to change your mindset. In this step, the most important thing you need to keep in your mind is a freelancer thinks, how can I complete this task? And a business owner thinks, how can I deliver result at scale? You must accept three things. You cannot do everything alone. Systems are more powerful than skills, and delegation is a growth. The second step is choose one clear service. Do not offer everything. Choose one core service and master it. Example, lead generation agency, email marketing agency, web development agency, SEO agency, social media marketing agency. Clients trust specialists, not generalists. Your third step is convert your freelance work into an agency model. This is where the real shift happens. Instead of saying, I will work on your project, you can say, my team will handle this for you. What changes? You charge higher prices, you sell packages, not hours. You focus on results, not tasks. And your fourth step is build a professional website. A business needs a professional websites, and your website should have a clear homepage. What do you do? Who you are? What are you selling? And it also has services pages, about us page, your story and mission, and contact us page, a portfolio or a case study page, and a simple call to action. Before going to create a website, it is important to create a brand name and identity for yourself. So move away from your personal name, create a brand name that sounds professional. So before going to create a website, it's also important to choose a brand name and identity for yourself. You can also create a logo for your brand, and also you should know about brand colorings. So your sixth step is to build a small team. Your job become managing, not doing. You do not need to do anything. You just need to manage your team. So my final advice is, do not rush. First become a good freelancer, then become a smart business owner. Skills bring money, system brings freedom. If you build value, clients will come from anywhere in the world.